How to change your TikTok password. To change your TikTok password, just follow the steps. Open TikTok on your phone and click on profile icon at the bottom right. And click on triple line at the top right. Click settings and privacy at the bottom. Click on account. And tap on password. And verify your email and wait for verification code that will be sent on your email. This is 448-696. And enter your new password. But you must follow the requirements, like your password must have at least 8 characters or 20 in max, 1 letter and 1 number, and 1 special characters like hashtag, question mark, and others. Click next and password change. It is very easy to do. So that's all the tutorial on how to change your TikTok password. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching.